Hi lovelies, I hope you're all enjoying this beautiful weather at the moment because I certainly am. I wanted to jump on really quickly to just say a huge thank you to all of you who are members of my Passion for Pouring group. I started the group up at the end of January. It was literally the last day and we reached the 200 member mark a few weeks ago. So I'm so grateful that you're all here and that so many of you contribute to the group by posting photos, commenting, liking, and generally supporting the other members of the group. So thank you so much for that. And I'm hoping for even greater things in the next couple of months. The other thing that I wanted to just tell you all about. I know that most of you already know that I recently launched an online pouring program squarely aimed at beginners and improvers. And we have just finished swipe month and we had our first coaching call yesterday morning, which was frankly pretty fabulous. It was supposed to be 40 minutes long. It actually ended up being 1.5 hours, and I'm not sure that many people wanted to leave even at that point. However, I've been asked, people have direct messaged me to ask if they can just join for 1 month. And I just wanted to clarify that you absolutely can join for just 1 month. You can already get a free sample lesson when you go on the site and have a look at the landing page. You get a free sample lesson that you can check out. You get a free 7-day trial, and then it reverts to a monthly membership and you can cancel at any time. So you can cancel near the end of a 1 month membership. Obviously, if you stay, we deal with new themes every single month. We've just done swipes. We're just going over to Dutch pours. So we deal with a new theme every month. But if you felt for whatever reason that you only wanted to access the program for a month, you certainly get some benefit out of it. But without mincing my words, the program is phenomenal value for money. And I'm pretty sure that any members of my FAM membership program that are also members of this Passion to Pouring group will jump in here, because I have absolutely loaded it with content. Right now, last month, I think there's presently 17 training tutorials already uploaded to the site that you'd have access to whenever you join. And in addition to that, you're getting direct feedback from me on your pieces when we move into the final week of every month, which is coaching and challenge week, which is the one that we've just finished. And then once a month, there's a live coaching call with me and other members of the fam. And all of that is £37 a month right now. The program will definitely be going on to the end of the end of July as it stands at the moment. I'm hoping that it will go on at least until the end of October, depending on my own commitments, really. So, but you can join at any time, and all I would recommend to people is that if you're looking to join, like now, we are about to start Dutch Pours next week. So my present membership are just doing a little challenge where they're going to do a Dutch pour before the magic of the Fluid Art Masterclass kicks in, so I can see exactly where they're at and feedback on what they need to be looking out for in the forthcoming tutorials this month. I think, I think that's about it really. I can't say any more other than go over to the website. I've just revamped the landing page. I can't speak today. I've just revamped the landing page, and so right now there's more reviews and testimonials uploaded, and there's some before and after photos that my present membership have very kindly agreed that I can put on the website. So it looks very different, the landing page. I think I've already said you can access a free sample lesson from there, and that's a full length lesson. I think it runs about 20 minutes. And obviously, you know how this all works. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments box below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. But if you are thinking of joining, if you're sitting on the fence right now, then now is definitely the time, because we're just about to go into the next month's theme. That's it, guys. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you all soon. Okay, bye.